Why would I spend like $1,000 at the doctor's office for a silly little test when I can just eat my friend's Adderall and see what happens from there?
I was very annoyed with the sides of my hair, always having them behind my ears, and I was tired of tucking it all the time. Also, I want a cool haircut, okay? I'm cutting it so it stays behind my ears without having to worry about it. I've only ever shaved under my hair. This was nerve-wracking. Luca, I'm a natural blonde. Bald spot. Cut. All washed.
Every time my girlfriend farts, I breathe it in. I have to drink it. I have to smell it. It's like a Febreze scratch and sniff. It's the fountain of youth. I just straight up sniff that shit in. I do not play no games. I just drink it. I smell it.
I cannot stand this shit. Bang, 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 click, click, reload, bang, bang, bang. Can't stand it.
I got a thing for you, and I can't let go.
I think I made a historic discovery for trans women. The most gender-affirming thing that you could do is eat your Chinese food with a plastic knife, but then eat your rice just with your hands. I feel like a woman.
Mike, you gotta stop with this jaywalking.
Miss me with that gay shit.
What gay shit, the law?
Bitch, I need to geek up, get a little high, I'ma get a little pissy. Put a pedal, man.
And you don't seem to understand.
How do you keep your pants up when you're performing? It's incredible.
Belt.
I say beat, you say that ass, beat that bitch ass.
Guess what?
K-I-C-K-Y-O-A-S-S.
Oh yes!
K-I-C-K-Y-O-A-S-S. Oh yes!
It's all that stuff, I don't care. Cause what fun is there in ever making sense? Uzi. Not again. Uzi, wake your ass up.
Every day, I strap on my clown shoes and I drive around in my little clown car and honk the horn so that everybody knows I'm a little fool. Look at the jingling idiot, they say, as I pass by them on the street.
You're either with me or hug me. Bring it in. Would you loosen up? Would you hug me? Bring it in.
No, I can't laugh yet. I've got to hold it in. They're all gonna die.
They're trying to be. She wanted me. That bitch is a. Rainbow tree, cause I got this running me. Kelly yellow dancing on me, she started green on me. She straight from California, tricky, yeah, she wanna. Tell me she like boys and girls, oh well, that's okay for me. What I say no, gonna work till I what?
Liza, is your zipper undone?
God damn it, Joe!
I beat the pussy up, I beat the pussy up, I beat the pussy up. Just finished #1, but I'm ready for round. I don't really talk like this, I know, but this nigga got a real big whoop for show.
just found out some people are doing some absolutely crazy things for money now that gas prices are so high. Could not be me, but you guys stay safe out there, I guess.